We talk about how can you add Passkey on your Roblox app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. Just go down here. You click here. Sorry. You click here on more down here. So then it's going to take you to this. It's going to show for you like this. You scrolling down here until you will find here settings. Just click on it. So when you click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Click on account info here. Then it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this here. So you just switch into open with you here. Then it's going to show for you like this here, and you just click here on add passkey. So then you click here on continue here. Then it's going to show for you this a list like this. You enter here this code here from your email. You click here on verify. Then it's going to add with you here to see verification or your passkey on your Roblox app. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.